Look at her butt. It's completely hanging out. Oh.
Oh, sweetie.
Honey. Her whole front half is hanging out. Did she bend the side of the box? Or did she just overflow over it?
She puddled over. Is that going to be good enough?
I think it's going to have to be. Nope. Nope. I don't know that she's smart enough to ever figure out that it's not going to work. She'll be at this all night. No, she missed it entirely. You're going to chew the side off.
Oh.
Oh.